what that means. Thought by myself, so I'm selfish, to whom I owe respect. And before you get out of line, you better get your ass in check. Get your ass in check, get your ass respect. Before I signed the dotted line, I knew how much I gave. I had so many times, my arms done got tired. Words spoken vain, so much pain from the liars. I'm different from you niggas, certainly one of a kind. And I don't owe nobody else, so nobody getting mine. If you wonder why I moved to a place you never find, cause you never walk with me, so I left your ass behind. Before my last meal, I felt I'd be betrayed. Fishing bread, getting fed from decisions I made. Disciples by my side, watch out for Judas. Partakers in hatred, traitors, disloyal to rulers. Benedict on the treason, that Caesar from Brutus. See for the city's ways, objectives are foolish. Angels on my shoulder, God sent them to watch over me. Jesus walking with me through the desert, vision so believe. Footprints in the sand, follow plan till I seal a deal. Moving for a Lord, get prepared for a grand meal. Get prepared for a grand meal.
Believe one motherfucking thing, nigga. I'm out here eating. You ain't see me sell my motherfucking soul to nobody, nigga. You ain't see me out here sucking up to no motherfucking DJs, nigga. I got out here and I got it out the motherfucking streets. Feet stuck to the concrete like the bottom of my sneaks. You know what time it is with Baby Savage, nigga. I know everybody from Jay-Z to Wayne. Yeah, fuck with me, nigga. Getting real rap money over here, man. I know y'all niggas see the billboards, right? Check this out, man. I think I spent like $100,000 on fucking paper. On fucking paper with my face on that shit. You dig? I spent that shit. Not nobody else, man. Understand this right here, man. 1.5 mil. Believe that. This shit just the beginning, man. I think next time I might sign for like 20, 30 mil or some shit. I don't know. You know, I'm on my Jay-Z shit, I'm on my 50 Cent shit, you know, Baby, Master P, you know, that type of shit, man. You heard me? I'm a CEO and an artist. Listen! Shout out to all my niggas in Baton Rouge, all my niggas in Mansfield, all my niggas in Shreveport. You understand me? Fuck with your boy Baby Savage, man. Y'all make sure y'all go cop that album. March 17th, 2010. You dig? And shout out to DJ Beezy, man. It's the first DJ ever supported Baby Savage on the radio. You dig? I got a lot of them standing around now, but just know Beezy was the first real nigga shit. You hear me? So, you know, it is what it is, man. I'm out this bitch. You know, hit me up on Twitter, hit me up on YouTube, Facebook, and I'm still on MySpace. You know, dumb shit, thugging it out. Play with me. You know.